Short story, The Big House. Author, Muhammad Jameel Akhtar. Since childhood, he was obsessed with the idea of building a big house. His colleagues at work would often say to him, "Take some time off for yourself. How long will you keep working overtime?" "Until I build my own house," he would reply. "But you already have a house," they would say. "Yes, but it is very small and rented. The conditions there are not suitable at all. I feel like I am still breathing in the smoke of factories that I used to escape from since my childhood. But now, I will build my own house," he would say with determination. His father had also spent an extremely difficult life of hard work and struggle, but he could not build a house of his own. How difficult it is to build a big house in this life, his father would often think. "Son, a house is truly yours when you build it yourself. How long will you stay in small rented rooms? I have tried my whole life, but could not succeed." "But you must build it," his father would advise him until his last breath. Then one day, he built a big house in a prestigious housing society in the city.
However, he still wants to build a big house.